What's up, guys? Driving from Venice to Cortina d'Ampezzo, so follow along for my 3-day trek through the Italian Dolomites. Just got into Rome about a week ago. Took a train, which was a shit show, from Rome to Venice, and now I'm finally relieved. I'm in my rental car, driving like a good old American into Cortina, so definitely feel the freedom. It's always funny in Europe, they always ask you, manual is okay? I'm like, yeah, absolutely, love it. Love driving manual, just brings me back to my roots. But I always find it funny, they give you that look when you flash that American driver's license, that they're looking forward to upgrading you and charging you more money for that automatic. So I'm on the way to Cortina. It's one of the first alpine lakes right by a dam right behind me. So I made it to the start of the hike. Very overcast day today, but hopefully we'll be getting somewhere up there. And yeah, we'll see how it goes. First hike for me out here in Cortina in the Dolomites. So yeah, excited to get started. Nice little stream here already. We'll see how cold it gets. And if I packed enough, just have one sandwich, about 2 liters of water. But so it should be good to go. About a 5-mile hike, 2,000 feet elevation gain. Maybe a little bit of an extension I can do if I have time, depending on the weather. So almost a mile in, 350 feet of elevation gain. Starting to get some views now, both directions. And yeah, a little winded. Haven't done this in a while. Very excited to see where this trail goes. I don't have any micro spikes, so hopefully it doesn't go right here on the icy parts. But yeah, we'll see. It's clearing up a little bit too, so I'll put some sunscreen on, but getting super beautiful already. It's gonna get interesting. I picked this one kind of as an easy warm-up, but look at this, just straight up, not even any switchbacks. So we'll see how it goes, but beautiful. Not a soul in sight. I literally, over like a mile and a half, have not run into anybody so far. So kind of like a goated time to go during end of May, just to enjoy this by yourself. Okay, never mind. There's like a little hidden trail right here into the forest. And I think that's Cinque in the distance. I was gonna do that one tomorrow, but now that I've seen it, I'm not sure. Kind of a big proponent of earning the view and maybe hiking for a while without seeing much, and then all of a sudden, boom, it's just a big view at the end. So we'll see if we get into that tomorrow, or maybe we can try to hit it quickly today. It's also kind of like a 5-mile, 2,000, maybe 1,500, 2,000 feet. So it's starting to come down a lot. Got my rain jacket on, we'll see if I make it. But beautiful view of Cortina over here at the viewpoint. But yeah, might get a little muddy. We'll see. There's the trail. But yeah, still beautiful views everywhere. But hopefully this passes. It's a little clear. You know, I'm kind of right under the black cloud now. And then it's a little clear over there. So maybe I'll just hang out for a little bit, get a little shelter, and then keep going. Glad I brought the rain jacket though, that's for sure. So it's clearing up a little bit, just got to the lake. I think a little over an hour, 2.5 miles, 1,300 feet of elevation gain to get to here. So yeah, I think there's a little hut down at the end that we'll go check out. Made it here to the refugio, but there's some thunderstorms on the horizon. I'm not sure if it's the safest to be near the lake, but there's some workers here. Maybe worst case can get inside. Here it is. Wow, look at these walls right here. That's probably another 2,000 feet. There's an extension hike I might do through. I think it's like right here probably, that I could maybe get up higher. So maybe we'll go do that. There's some time in the day. If it rains a little bit, I got my rain jacket. So gonna keep going up. So this will make it a true 2,000 foot. A little rainy here and there. Not sure if it's calling for thunderstorms. We'll see how far we get. Might have to turn around though. So, yep. So I decided to bail. Look at that black, it's coming for me. So I'm probably gonna get a little rained on, which is fine. But at least I'll be a little further downhill in case there's any thunder. Okay, just got done. Started to thunder on the way back. And it's funny, it's clearing up behind me there. So that's just how it goes sometimes. But yeah, should have good weather the next couple days. And literally 30 minutes after my hike. Beautiful. Sad that I couldn't keep going, but we'll save it for tomorrow.